Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Colleen from Kelly Jean Lifestyle, and we all love unboxing videos, don't we? Today I just received one of my favorite boxes to get. Has absolutely nothing to do with makeup. It's from a company called Pastures, and Pastures is a meatpacking company. What they do is they guarantee that everything that they do is organic, pasture-raised, no antibiotics, no corn, and no grain-fed. Let's see, what else? No feedlot, no antibiotics, no added hormones, 100% pasture-raised. So everything that I get lived a really lovely life, and you know, was culled in humane ways. And I've really noticed a difference in how I feel eating pasture-raised meat. And, you know, so we're doing an unboxing today, and this is meat. It is raw meat, well, frozen raw meat. So if you're a vegetarian, I apologize. I'm not. And, well, anyway, let's get started. This month, we've got some old favorites and some new pieces. Let's go with the old favorites. I actually haven't done an unboxing yet. And like I said, this was just delivered to my door. I've got frost and everything. So we're going to start with, we've got 1 pound of seasoned ground taco meat. This stuff is amazing. It's already got everything that you need in it. Grass-fed beef, organic ancho chili powder, sea salt, organic cumin, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and oregano, all organic. This is absolutely delicious for a really quick burrito meal. I like to brown this off, throw a can of Rosarita? Yeah. Beans or pinto, chili flavored pinto beans, and throw that in a tortilla. It's amazing. My best friend taught me that trick. So I do like to put a little onions and garlic in it occasionally. And then we've got 2 pounds of their regular ground beef, which is absolutely wonderful. One of the things that I've had problems learning with this stuff, and there's a little bit of a learning curve, I found that organic meat has a tendency to cook faster than this ground-fed, this pasture-raised, grass-fed meat has a tendency to cook faster than your wholesale, industrial, regular meat, and I don't really understand why. Go figure. Another old favorite, look at the size of these. Look at that. These are pork chops. Yes, organic, pasture-raised pork chops. These guys don't eat corn. They don't eat crap. And I love it. Because of that, they're not actually... Let me tell you a little secret about the meat industry. One of the things that regular industrial meat lots do is they have a tendency to make their critters cannibals. Pork will put pig bone meal in their feed. Cows will get cow bone meal. Chicken gets chicken bone meal. It's supposed to make the meat better. All it does is actually create salmonella, E. coli, and trichinosis. So this is one of the things that I love about this. No chance of that. It actually says, instead of cooking to 160 degrees, 145. Yeah. You have not lived until you tasted the most tender at 145. That's roughly on the well side of medium rare. Really good. And this is one of my favorites. I actually have done, I need to put it together, roast chicken stock using one of their whole chickens. Yes, this is a whole chicken. These little birds are so tasty, so lovely. Generally, what I like to do if I'm doing the whole chicken, I will roast it in a saute pan, actually, with onions, carrots, garlic, and poultry seasoning. Usually get fresh from the grocery store, and roast it till it's about 160 degrees in one of the fat places, and it is so tender, so juicy, so magnificent. I think some of the places that they do get their chicken from, sorry, there's a little bit of dirt in the frost. Some of them do feed the marigolds to get a more yellow color to the flesh. But most of the time you'll find out that the flesh is really, really white. White. And the dark meat is darker because they get a lot more exercise. It's one of the wonderful things about pasture raised, because industrially raised chickens are raised in cages about, big enough for a chicken to sit in. And they don't get any exercise. Keeps the meat tender. I'd rather have flavor and exercise chicken than gamer chicken. More new stuff. We've got meat for fajitas. This is going to be really awesome. Is it already pre-seasoned? Let's see. Blade tenderized, yummy. It doesn't say. Okay, yeah, it looks like this is just strip meat, skirt steak. Most of the time what I get is stew meat, but this is going to be really yummy, especially since we're going into summer, and yum. Another new thing that we've got is, actually I've gotten this before, so I know how wonderful they taste, and it's so cold the sticker came off. But this is Bratwurst. Yum. Love Bratwurst. So we got pork, water, sea salt, black pepper, onion, and garlic powder. That's it. If you don't know what Bratwurst are, it's a type of, it's a type of German sausage that you eat basically like a hot dog. They're really yummy. Sometimes I like to cook them with sauerkraut and potatoes. Sometimes I like to pretend that they are bangers. And actually with this one, it's really easy to pretend they're bangers. It's the same recipe. And peas and mashed potatoes. Good stuff. Last but not least, more chicken. We have 4 pasture-raised drumsticks. Now, this is going to be fun. I prefer drumsticks when it comes to just about anything except for roasting. So these are probably going to get fried up. Maybe with a light coating, maybe not. I've been known to do Atkins and do Southern fried chicken. That's basically just seasoned chicken that has been fried. No flour, no grain, no nothing. So, yeah. So that is my Wild Pastures box for the next 2 months. This particular box is good for 1 to 2 people. 1 person, it lasts 2 months. 2 people, it would last about a month. It's $99 plus tax, shipping, and handling. And I will have a referral code down in the down in the description box. That should save you I don't know how much it's going to save you, but it'll save you some money. So while I look forward to creating dinners around this wonderful little bounty, I'd love for you to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. If you're interested in more of what I do, there's a there will be a link to a video, or you can click on, I don't know which side it's going to be on, to be honest. There's a video that you can watch, there's a playlist that you can watch, and as always, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to be a part of my day, and I will talk to you all later.